Hello guys, today I've got T-Mobile 5G DL5M2 5G router, and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset. So, to perform the factory reset, you need to first prepare yourself something which is very small, like for example some paperclip or this SIM card opener. Now, while your router is turned on, you need to turn it upside down and take a look here. As you can see here, we've got the place for our SIM card and this hole right here. You need to put this into this hole and hold it until you hear a click. Now keep holding it till you see that LED lights on your speaker, LED lights on your router are blinking. Now we've got it. The system light is blinking, which means that we are now after the factory reset. So that's all I wanted to show you. Now after all this factory reset, you'll be able to sell this speaker freely or do some couple more things like set it up completely. Goodbye.